Welcome to this comprehensive review of BudgetBuddy, the personal finance app that aims to simplify money management and help users take control of their finances. When you first open BudgetBuddy, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that immediately sets it apart from other personal finance tools. The dashboard provides a clear snapshot of your financial health, including your current budget, recent transactions, and progress toward savings goals. Let's start by exploring the setup process. BudgetBuddy makes it easy to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment portfolios. This automatic synchronization ensures that your financial data is always up to date without requiring manual entry. You'll appreciate how quickly transactions are categorized, though you can easily edit or reassign categories to suit your specific needs. Budgeting is where BudgetBuddy truly shines. The app allows you to create custom budgets for different spending categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. You'll get real-time updates as you spend, helping you stay within your limits and avoid financial surprises. A unique feature is the ability to roll over and use funds from one month to the next, promoting long-term savings habits. Another standout feature is the Insights section. BudgetBuddy provides detailed reports and visual graphs that break down your spending habits. You can view trends over time, identify areas where you're overspending, and set realistic financial goals based on your past behavior. This data-driven approach makes it easier to adjust your budget and spending patterns for better financial outcomes. The app also includes a built-in savings tracker that helps you set and achieve financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund, BudgetBuddy keeps you motivated by showing your progress and suggesting adjustments to your budget if necessary. For those interested in debt repayment, BudgetBuddy offers tools to help you create a personalized plan. You can prioritize debts, set monthly payment targets, and visualize how long it will take to become debt-free. This feature is particularly helpful for anyone tackling multiple loans or credit card balances. Security is a top priority for BudgetBuddy, and the app uses bank-level encryption to protect your data. You can also enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, ensuring that your financial information stays safe. While BudgetBuddy offers a free version with essential features, its premium plan unlocks advanced tools like detailed investment tracking, customizable financial reports, and priority customer support. Depending on your needs, upgrading to premium might be worth the cost. In my experience, BudgetBuddy strikes a great balance between simplicity and functionality. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to streamline their finances. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and practical financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.